up there.
They'd be like, oh, I'm in there with 3.
Yeah, I'm here. Hold on, get some bread. That's mad. That's mad. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. I'm starting this vlog. I didn't post a vlog because that week was just so I just went to the gym, came back. Well, no, went to the gym, ate some Subway, ballet, and came back, y'all. I'm about to do this wig tutorial, and then after I do this wig tutorial, well, no, I'm actually about to go later, a little later, and go get some groceries from Pete's. Not groceries, but like some of the cookies. My mama gonna make some of that shrimp that she made the last vlog, but it's gonna be shrimp quesadillas instead of just the shrimp and no, the pasta. That's what I'm gonna say. Y'all saw the pasta. So I'm over here on my phone. I'm bored, y'all. I'm just dancing with what's coming. But I'm about to bleach that wig, and I gotta show the items first, and then I'm gonna bleach it, and then I'm gonna rinse it out so it can dry. And then I'm gonna do a cute makeup tutorial. I wanna do like something. I wanna do something bold, but I want it to be soft curls. But I want it to do like a cut with like a white liner or something like that. Like, oh, it's gonna be like a negative space liner. So I'm gonna do that because, baby, I need to be doing something. I need to stay occupied. Oh, later gotta do her homework too. But I'm about to go bleach that wig. See y'all. Now I'm bleaching that wig. So I meant to say, I gotta do orders, y'all. I gotta process these orders. I had to get some more candles, which I had got some candles from that sale. Remember when I told y'all like my window was cracked, and then they had that sale with those candles being what, $6. I got a whole bunch left still, so I'm gonna like this one. This is the applewood and clove. I'm gonna like this one. And yeah, let's get into doing these orders and actually doing this here. So the hair sponsor, not for this vlog. I wish I was able to put hair sponsor for the portion of the video up in here. It is Eula hair. I be doing like separate ones, you know. So I'm gonna do this one, but first let me light this candle really quick. Let me smell it. Yes, it smells so good. It smells like it's gonna melt my problems away, y'all. I seem happy, but I'm still a little sad inside, but it's okay. I'll just keep pushing, keep moving. It's gonna work, okay? It's gonna work. Last week, I didn't post last week's vlog only because it just was a lot hitting me for that last week, and I was so depressed. I was in my thoughts yesterday too, so I'm like, you know what, I'm not even gonna post this weekend. And it was short too, so this weekend not gonna be short. My weekend coming up, yeah, you know, take Leia to school during the whole week. We did take her out bowling this weekend, so yeah, I didn't post that, but I'm about to put this I know my candle go. I'm gonna see y'all later.
God bless them to be in the presence, to put you in the presence of a chosen one, and they hurt you, they betray you. They're done for. After that, God could cast them to utter darkness. Utter darkness. Right. When someone said from the devil, guys, this is the number one warning, okay, guys? This is number one. You just feel drained. This is a warning, guys. When you feel drained by being in the presence of somebody, or when being friends with someone, talking to them every day, you just feel drained. Them being around you, you feel drained.
What's her name? Sierra. I'm pretty now Sierra, right?
The Bible says, evil pursue sinners. Evil pursue sinners. So all you understand that, man, you're gonna hear good voices, and it's like
hey y'all, it's the next morning, and today is Wednesday. I didn't start the vlog off on Monday, but today is Wednesday. I'll drop a layoff, and I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit. It's 9, but it's up the street. I'm now going to the gym today because I gotta get this wig done so I can make money. Okay, so cover your mouth. Now you're doing too much. I gotta get my wig done. Well, not by somebody. I gotta put my wig on stuff. So I'm gonna start that probably about like 10:30, 11 o'clock. Just sit down for a second. Yeah, 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's already plucked and stuff like that. I think I recorded me plucking it. But I didn't do anything really much yesterday, but come from the gym, package some orders. I'm actually going to take those orders too, and I should have took those orders while I took her to school. But like I said, I'm gonna just relax, and I'll probably take those orders before I get started, or after I get started, because the post office they close at 6, so I'll probably take it before then, or probably about like 4:30, 5 o'clock when I come pick her up. But tomorrow is the last day
at school.
No, not at school. It's my weekend, so I'm thinking about driving down to Cleveland. Me and my mama driving down to Cleveland and going to do some brunch type stuff. But not Thursday. I'm going to go Friday. I don't know. Your daddy probably. No, I'm picking you up today. So yeah, I'm about to pull off, y'all. Why is that no? And I burned myself yesterday. You see that? I'm gonna take these out. So yeah, I'm gonna take my hair out and stuff down, and then I'm gonna wash it and all that. So that's why I say I'll probably get up at 10:30. But let me take her to school. I just want the car to warm up just a little bit because I can't keep. And I'm tired of this tire. One of the tires, I already got the tire fixed from the last vlog. But this tire in the front over here, it just keeps losing air. I gotta eventually get my window fixed, y'all. But that's gonna come. However, let's go drop Lay off at school. Y'all, we in the line. I hope my camera don't fall. I'll keep picking this bumper.
That's Miss Parker.
Oh yeah, you see her?
How you know Miss Parker?
Ain't she the principal? Yeah, she the
Yes.
principal.
I know. Hey, Miss Parker.
What the people that are supposed to be watching y'all? Give me a kiss, mommy. Bye-bye. Love you. You want to wait? Or go ahead. So I can watch you go. I want to watch you go in. You going to go? Bye, mommy. Have a good day.
Bye.
Y'all. I'll be watching her go in. Let me watch her go in. Will she go? Okay, y'all. She went in. She went in. Oh, I be so scared, y'all. I can't see how YouTubers do it. Like, how y'all put y'all See, I need a little cute little stand, something that's gonna stick to my phone. Ooh, watch. See, oh. I can't do it. I need one right here, like literally right here. And it's shaking. Oh, it's shaking too much, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna see y'all once I get home.
Up like a doll, then I tell him give me the ball, bitch. This the dream team. I ain't never have to give a rap producer head. I got all these bitches wanna be Barbie dolls. Barbie dream house, pink and purple marble walls. Pull up in that Barbie Rari, finna very y'all.
This is my song. It's like all her mixes together. Hey y'all. So I think my last time picking up this camera was when I dropped it off of school. This is it's Thursday actually, but it was supposed to be Wednesday. However, I'm finishing up a tutorial, y'all. I told y'all I had to get that tutorial out the way. But the exciting part starts tomorrow. Me and my friend is going to brunch probably around like 5. Cause the place won't be open till 4. How am I gonna get there at 4? So yeah, around that time, this is gonna be my first time going out with my best friend. We just started talking, y'all. So I told myself like, shoot, I gotta start communicating with people and stuff. So I'm like, I wanted a whole new friend situation thing going on. So I'm like, you know what? She said I need to stop playing with her. And baby, we gonna go outside tomorrow. And then I think this weekend I'm gonna do a road trip to Cleveland, y'all. So I'm excited about that. But right now I'm finishing up this vlog. I'm trying to see if I should record on here. I might record on here. I might record a couple of clips on here because my camera is not working right now. So I'm about to record a couple of clips on here. And then yeah, I'm gonna put that in and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. But I just have to pop on in and tell y'all that yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm finally done. We about to go out, y'all. So this our first time linking.
Yes.
We about to go outside. It's gonna be lit. We just took some Hennessy. Y'all know how I love Hennessy.
Like 2 shots
2.
in.
But
I think she was doing something before I got
no, I was not. That's me. That's my personality. That's my personality. But no, I ain't taking no shots. But we about to go to this place called Chug-a-Lug. So
I let her pick this time.
yeah,
But
she gonna pick that.
Yeah,
Y'all gonna be seeing her more often, okay?
for sure. She stuck with me.
Period. We about to go.
Ready?